Hey everyone, I hope you all are doing great. In today's video, I will be showing you how you can build your first or next converting sales page with Chat GPT and Canva in just 60 minutes. In this video, I will be using the Systemy.io software, but you can use all these principles, whatever I show on Chat GPT or Canva or copywriting, everything you can use on Go High Level or ClickFunnels or Katra or Kajabi, whatever you use, or WordPress, the principles will remain same. So yeah, let's begin. For the sake of this video, I'm taking an example of business coach who is helping people turn their expertise into an online coach, into an online course and leave their 9 to 5 job. So the name of the course will be like Expert to Entrepreneur, Building Your Online Empire, and not to for ah! Hey everyone, I hope you all are doing great. So today in this video, I will be showing you how you can build your first or next converting sales page with Chat GPT and Canva in just 60 minutes. In this video, I will be using Systemy.io funnel building software, but you can use any of the software like ClickFunnels or Katra or Kajabi, Go High Level, anything that you are using. The principles will remain the same. For the sake of this video, I will be using an example of a business coach, and basically a business coach who is helping normal people who go to their 9 to 5, turn their expertise into an online course and leave their 9 to 5. So this is the niche, and the name of the course is Expert to Entrepreneur, Building Your Online Empire. And the font that I've chosen is Poppins, and I've also decided the color for the page so that we don't waste much of the time in deciding the color palette. I'll be using some green and some light pink shade and black and white, right? And this is the Systemy editor, and here I will be building the page. So just to show you like how a converting sales page looks like, I have divided this editor, the sales page into the sections like main promise of the course, and then testimonials and problem and pain and promise and course introduction, so that I stay on the track and we basically can build a sales page as fast as possible. So let's start. First, we have to think about the main promise of the course, right? First, we will create this section, and let's just begin. So let me first get the prompt from Chat GPT. Like, this is the prompt that I have written. Like, first we will be getting the headline, and which will be basically a pre-headline and a headline and a sub-headline, followed by the pain and the promise. So this is the prompt that I've written, and if you want, I can share this prompt with you. Just comment below and I will share the prompt with you. So let's just copy paste this into Chat GPT. So the prompt is, hey ChatGPT, please act like a professional copywriter and write a sales page copy for an online course. This course is about helping people earn money by creating an online course with their expertise and leave their 9 to 5 job. So start with a pre-headline and a headline and a sub-headline. The pre-headline should be calling out the customer to get attention. The main headline should sell them on their desires and goals, preferably including a number and a specific outcome. Then make the sub-headline all about the pain points and the bad feeling they'll be able to avoid and get rid of due to creating an online course about their expertise. Then follow it up with these sections. Like, after the main section, the second section is of testimonial, and then comes the pain points and all the problems that the customer is facing, and then comes the promise, where we'll be talking about the we will be like future pacing the entire situation. We will be telling them like all the benefits, all the features of the course, and how their life will transform if they buy our offer, and how their life can be totally different from what it is right now. So this is the prompt, and let's see what we get from Chat GPT. And always remember that you don't have to completely copy paste whatever Chat GPT gives you. You always have to read and then make tweaks according to your own expertise, like because you know your customer more than Chat GPT, right? So always make tweaks and keep on doing those A/B split tests and everything. So this is the pre-headline: ready to break free, unleash your expertise, digital 9 to 5, and then earn big by creating your online course. So we'll just take this pre-headline and go to our systeme. And here, as we are creating this first section, so I'll just remove this and I'll copy paste that, and I'll reduce the size to 15, and the text color I'll take as of black. Okay, and I will also see if there is a lot of padding. I'll make this 20, and then I'll add the headline. Make it black, or I'll use this color instead. That was my font shade, right? So I'll use this. And let's see, what was our headline? Achieve financial freedom in 90 days. So I'll add this. And I'll bold this. I will increase the line height also. You don't want the headings to be all crammed up. So this is the headline, and what was the sub headline? I'll again copy this, and let's create this as the same size. Why is everything coming as white? Let me go and see. Okay, the text color is, it should come as black. Okay, so this is the thing, and one more thing I'll do is I'll reduce the width of the section, the whole section. This is showing as full page, so you know everything looks like really from stretched from left to right. So I'll just reduce the width from full page to just wide, okay, so that there is some padding added on left to right, and when you view it, it looks much better. Everything should be there, you know, in the center, so that you don't have to move your eyes completely from the left to right, then to left to right. So it just makes the reading very tough. And then we can add a video over here. Okay, I'll reduce the size, it's taking a lot of. I'll add some padding. Okay. I'll also add some margin at the top. It's really crammed up. Now it's better. And I'll then add a button. Okay. And I'll just add the color will be that I have taken is light pink. Why it's not working? Okay. 512. Okay, we'll take this for the sake of it. I don't know what is happening. And we'll just change the text. Get instant access. Okay. And we can also add an icon if you want, like an arrow. Or maybe before it will look better. Arrow, yeah. And I'll remove the subtext. I will also reduce this. This is like a lot of space. This is better. And I'm not a fan of borders, so I'll just remove this. I'll just add shadow, and round borders are fine, like 3. I can just, yeah, they are fine. And I'll just save. Remember to save everything. And okay, this is showing me as this. Okay, I'll remove the submit form. Open next step URL. I'll do that, otherwise it won't save. Okay, so this is it. And so our first section is finished. Like, we have the pre-headline, the headline, and the sub-headline, and there'll be a video and then the button. And then the next is we will add some kind of social proof. Okay, so social proof can be in the form of a video or some kind of text. So let's just remove this, and I'll make it black so that everything is visible. And let's just add some 2 sections here. I'll just do this, and I will also go into the section and then make it wide. Okay, from the full page to make it just wide. And I will add an image over here, and then I will add the text. Remember to make it in the center of the column, and this column also. Okay, and I will reduce the font. This is looking pretty big. The alignment will be left, and So this will become your testimonial. Just to add like this, I think this is looking good. Always remember to add a lot of white space. So then the next section is we are talking about the problem, right? So the problem prompt we already have from Chat GPT, the pain points. So these are the pain points. So let's just start with the heading. The heading will be, are you struggling with, and I'll 38, and I will add some kind of background shade now, just to some shade of, so that okay. And then this becomes a new heading, and the bulleted thing I'll add. Let's add it in a different thing so that I can just add some padding. Yeah. So the checkbox, I will change it to this. I really like these, and the color is again I'll use this shade. What was that? The green shade. Okay, and I'll also make this heading this green shade. I don't know. Okay, now I will just copy paste these without the emojis. We will not use these many emojis. Okay. Sorry, the editor. And fourth point is this. Chat GPT. Then last one is this. Okay. I'll reduce the font size to 18 and then save. Okay, so our problem and pain point section is this. Now next comes the promise section. I'll remove this section. This is pain section. Now this is the promise section. Okay, so here we are talking about like what if. Okay, so I'll just write what if, and we are kind of future pacing the whole situation and showing them what is possible if they can, if they do things differently, so how their life will change for better. So for the sake of design, I will use like a 2 section for this. I will not use just the simple plain thing. So I will do this, and everything to be left aligned for better readability. and left side is this. Do this, and the checkbox is this, right? 38, and okay, so here we will add some kind of image, and we'll do images in the end, so you know, it just saves the time. And we will make this in the center, and let's get to the promise part. So what if, okay, I'll change some of the wordings later. Let's first just copy paste this. One, and then last, and we will just center the whole image also. What if I will add you can unlock the financial freedom, build a global audience, scale your income, establish authority, and you can get quick results, right? So here we are future pacing, and I will add a button also over here. I duplicated it, and then I'm dropping it here again, and I will add it here in this column. It looks better, and I will left align it again. Everything is left aligned. Yeah, slightly more, like I think 10 will look better. Yeah, okay, so this third section is also finished, where we are talking about the promise, right? And then our next section is course introduction, right? So here simply I will just copy paste this text, we are kind of forming a bridge, you know, where I'm telling people I will again just use this background and reduce the font, it's too big. Okay, I'll give it a spacing also. I will save it. Don't forget to save, extremely important. Are you ready? So I'll use this line over here where I'm actually introducing the course, right? Till now we haven't introduced the course. So introducing course name. So what was our course name? Expert to Entrepreneur, right? This was our course name. And I will just make this in 2 lines, like a main thing and then you know, oh no, what did it happen? Okay, wait. Okay, I'll just remove this, unbold this, and then decrease the font, increase the font of this main thing, because yeah, it should look very good and eye-catchy, you know. If you want, you can create some kind of graphic also in Figma. And I'll remove this color, yeah, and I'll remove this margin also. I think there's some kind of margin. Yeah, okay. No, I think this is fine. Okay, now next is I will just add the image of the course, like the course mockups, and I will tell about like what all they will get, what all you will get. So I'll add some kind of margin, 20. So let's suppose like if there are some you know, some all the modules and bonuses, so the next prompt will be like list down the 9 modules, right? So let's see. Okay, so Chat GPT is giving us the module name and the 2-line description for each module. Okay, so we can create basically like a 3-section thing, and in each we will add a row. Okay, we will add a row, and then we'll simply just add a shadow, a mid shadow, and 5 radius, a mid shadow and a 5 radius, and again a mid shadow, and the radius is 5. Okay, so this is how it will look, and we can add the image of each modules, or for the sake of this video I'll just create this kind of thing, module #1. Okay, you can create a separate image also, like whatever your modules are. I'll just do this. Okay, so this is looking good. I'll just duplicate this for others also. Okay, and this whole row I'll just move it a bit down. Okay, this is looking good, and this is like the 2 number, and this is like 3, and again the headline, the name, #24, line height, what was the name? Let's take the name, unleashing your expertise. We'll just copy it, for others so that we don't have to do the formatting again, right? Okay, and we'll save everything. The niche mastery. And this is content creation blueprint. We'll do this up only, I think. Okay, and then the whole explanation. You can also add some kind of padding, you know, if you think it is not working. Okay, one. Then this, let's keep that padding 1 only, and you can change later if you want. And that's how we will create a module. If you want, you can add some images also. And now let's just duplicate everything. Okay, so this is 1, this is 4, this is 5, this is 6, this is 7, this is 8, this is 9, right? And remember to add this call to action button again over here. Center align it, and yeah. So let's just add the names quickly. Technology made simple. Irresistible course design. Marketing magic. Nice. And then 7 is sales funnels that convert. Then last is scaling your success. Okay, so we are done with this section also, where you are showing what all modules are there. And the next is bonuses, right? So we will just add this light green shade, and yeah, also get these awesome bonuses. Okay, and let's make it some bright color. Let's make it some pink color so that it is noticeable, right? You want the bonuses to be different from the remaining sections, and the formatting remains the same for these also. So I'll just duplicate it, and I will just drag this whole row. Okay, so bonus 1, bonus 2 and bonus 3. The prompt will be kind of same, only list down the 6 bonuses. So this is the prompt. Expert Q&A session. Expert Q&A session. Okay, then high converting sales page templates. Then third is VIP community access. So these are some really great ideas. I think, you know, if you really want to add some good bonuses, they are very good. They really increases your perceived value of the whole course. Course launch checklist, amazing. Then next is exclusive marketing masterclass. Lifetime updates and upgrades. Okay, so these all are bonuses, and now we will come to the social proof, right? Because obviously that forms a very, very, very important part of here it from our happy clients. Here's what our clients are saying about us. Okay, remove, and always remember wide. I don't think I've changed this section. White. Okay, make all the sections as wide. Change it from full width to just wide. Okay, you don't want full page sections, they look really bad. And change it to wide. Okay, so white and this and this. What our clients are saying, so it's kind of the same thing. Let's just copy this. I'll show you, like, yeah. Okay, let's just remove this. For the testimonials, or the whole page will look, you know, the same. So you want to break a pattern, and image, and then image. Okay, just add a bit of margin, everything. Yeah, so this forms your testimonial section. And then the next is the whole stack. Okay, so here we will here's everything you get. So here we will just be summarizing all the modules and everything, like the bonuses, and then price anchor it. So here again we will add the image of the course, and this module 1, value anything between 997, and then you will do this with all the 9 thing, and then you will also do this for bonuses, right? 9 modules and 9 bonus 6 bonuses, and then at the end you will say total value this, get it for only. And you will really increase the size of it, and make it big enough so that it catches attention. And again you will just add the button, cool. So we are done with this section, and next is where we are talking about like who this course is perfect for, right? So here we will just add a bullet, or maybe I'll do like this. I'll add some 3 sections, and I'll add a bullet in each column, right, like this, just one thing. And I'll do this, the check is this, and icon color is this, and then yeah, I'll just duplicate this bullet. So you can write like this course is for people who want to leave their 9 to 5, or who want to start their side hustle, who are already entrepreneur, who are affiliate marketers, who are agency owners, everyone who has an expertise and looking to convert that expertise into a course, into an online successful course. So this course is for them. So this is the another section, and then we are basically adding some more social proof. So if you want, we will just duplicate it and move this down again, this whole section, and some more happy clients. Okay, so we'll just remove this, and now comes the section where you will have the coach and the introduction. you will have an image of the coach and meet your coach, and we will of course left align everything here also, decrease the font to 18 and just to fill up space I'll duplicate this lorem ipsum text and this and this. Okay, I'll add this shade also and remove this. So the last is risk reversal. Remove this color and add a 2 column and then again an image of some money back guarantee or some 30 days satisfaction guarantee. Money back guarantees works the best, of course, for obvious reasons. So yeah, the text. Okay, and again left align. We can ask Chat GPT also to write a risk reversal guarantee for us. Our 100%. If this is looking too long, which I think it is, you can obviously reduce it. You can remove all of this. Yeah. And we will again add the button. This button is going to the order form on the next page. Okay, so yeah, we will left align it, and now comes our very important section, that is FAQ section. It is important because here you get a chance to basically handle your visitors' common objections. Okay, so don't think like this is not important, because if strategically used, you can literally answer the most common objections they might have before buying your course, right? So in Systeme we already have an FAQ thing. It's not there in every editor, so not to panic. You can get it via custom code, or you can design, or you can make some design changes accordingly so that it looks like an FAQ section, right? So we will just duplicate it, and yeah, I'll just delete this. I'll delete everything, and yeah, so I think we are almost done. Now I'll show you how you can go about making some of the images in Canva, right? So let's do that part now, and let me just bold these headings for the congruency's sake. And I'll add the margin also. Meet your coach. Okay, great. So we need this testimonial image, right? So we'll go into the Canva, and for this kind of section, a circular image will look best, right? Not the square image. So I've taken a section see like this kind of image, where you will take a circle, a gradient circle, and add the person's image within it. And now I'll just download it. Transparent, and the image is 93. So let's just add it. Okay, maybe the internet is not working. Okay, so this, and if you want, we can also like create a shadow so that it's slightly more visible. 3, right, looking better, right? And here you will add maybe a businesswoman. I'll write stressed. Okay, this is looking good. Or I think this also is looking good. No, she's too depressed. This one, I think, yeah, this is looking good. So we'll download it, and right. And then the next is the course mockup. So I have this course mockup designed already in Canva. So if you want these mockups, you can let me know and I can share these mockups with you. But I've already created them. So I'll just change this a bit and remove everything because I don't need all of this. I just need this. PNG, transparent, and 3. So I'm basically trying to crop this because I don't need this kind of dead space, dead extra space. So I'm just trying to crop it and then upload it in Systeme. I'll do that. Okay, cool. Just reduce the size a bit. It's too much. Okay. Now I think this is done, and here again you can just add your testimonials image. I'll just add this for the sake of this tutorial. You can create the circular images and add in the testimonials. You will again add this image, this course mockup, reduce the size. Again you will add these circles, testimonial images. You will get this image from Canva only. You can type as a successful businesswoman. You will get these kind of images and just take them, download them. Yeah.